Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to install AhsayACB on Windows. If you want to learn how to, then keep watching. To start with, from the download page of your AMBAS or Ahsay Managed Backup as a Service Management console, you'll see the installers of Ahsay OBM, AhsayACB, Mobile and Restore for different operating systems, and NAS. Let's go to AhsayACB by clicking on it and look for Windows. AhsayACB has two installation modes, online and offline. You can select on either of the two. The only difference is that you would need an internet connection for the online installer and that it has a smaller file size allowing for a faster download time. However, it would take more time during the installation process as it would still have to download the other files that an offline installer contains. On the bright side, the online installer ensures that the latest version of AhsayACB is installed, while you will still have to download the latest version if you use an offline installer when a newer version of AhsayACB is released. For this example, we will be downloading the online installer. Click on the EXE Online Installer. It would automatically download the Windows Online Installer for AhsayACB. To run the installation, you can directly hover your mouse on the downloaded file and click Open. Or you can open your File Explorer, select the Downloads folder, and double-click on the icon of the Windows Online Installer for AhsayACB. The setup window will pop up. Click Next. Select the I accept the agreement after reading the license agreement before clicking on Next to continue. Choose the installation directory. As we will be using the default setting, click Next. For this part, you will be asked to select the program group to which the software will be installed. The default setting is anyone who uses this computer. When this is selected, the AhsayACB system tray icon will be visible to Windows users and backup notifications will be displayed on the Windows system tray. On the contrary, when you select Me Only, the AhsayACB system tray icon will not be visible and backup notifications will not be displayed on the Windows system tray. Then, click Next and click Install to start the installation. The AhsayACB program files are downloading. This can take a bit of time depending on your internet connection. After installation, you can now launch AhsayACB by checking on the checkbox before clicking on Finish. When AhsayACB is launched for the first time after being installed, two options are shown, Free Trial and Login. As we already have a login account, click Login. Once you're redirected to the login page of AhsayACB, enter your credentials to access your account. Then, click OK. And that's how you install AhsayACB on Windows. Very quick and easy. In just few simple steps, you can now create your backup sets and start backing up your files.